Exercise 2.1 first main, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So here question number 1, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now we can say this is a polynomial because here x power is plus 2, okay, positive number, okay, non-negative integer. It is a non-negative integer. So each variable, you see here, each here second term also in this variable power is 1, okay, plus, that means each term power containing reason. What we should write here? First we should write it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. So reason, each term exponent is a whole number. Or non-negative integer, okay. Now here in this polynomial variable is x, okay. Question number 2, y square plus root 2. So in this polynomial this variable power is plus 2, that means we can understood it is a polynomial in this algebraic expression. So we have to find whether it is a polynomial or not, okay. So in this algebraic expression here variable power is 2 is there, that means here positive integer is there, okay. Then we can say it is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial in one variable, okay, only one variable is there. So reason, each of these exponents is a non-negative integer, that means positive integer is there, okay. Then third question, 3 root 2 plus t root 2. Then now this root t can be written as t to the power of 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is not a whole number, it is in the form p by q. Then we can say it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. Reason, the exponents of the variable is not a whole number. It is not a whole number, okay. Now y plus 2 divided by y. Can you say whether this is a polynomial? Now if you take first term we can say it is a polynomial, but you see in the second term denominator y is there. So this question can be written as y plus 2, this y you should take to numerator, it become y to the power of minus 1, y to the power of minus 1. That means you see in these two terms here y to the power of minus 1 is there. Minus 1 is not a whole number, okay. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Okay. So reason, what we should write reason here? A variable, exponent variable, is not a whole number. Okay. Question number 5. X to the power of 10 plus y to the power of 3 plus t to the power of 50. In this algebraic expression, you see it has three variables. So variables power, you see, all are positive numbers. So we can say it is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Reason: exponent of the variable variables are whole numbers. Okay, here all variable powers are positive. Okay, whole numbers. In mean, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Coefficients of x square. Coefficients of x square means neighbor of x square or close friend of x square. Okay. Now here you see, here x square, any number is there? No. If nobody is there along with x square means 1 we should take here. Okay. So first you should write better here, 2 plus 1x square plus x. Okay. So this implies the coefficient of x square is, what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. Okay. Now come to the point, second question. Second question is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Okay. So this can be written as 2 minus 1x square plus x cube. What is the coefficient of x square here? Minus 1. So this implies the coefficient of x square is minus 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 1. The next here, what is the coefficient of x square? Pi by 2. So we will write directly here, this implies the coefficient of x square is, what is the coefficient of x square? Pi by 2. Pi by 2. Then, now in this fourth question you see, root 2x minus 1. So x square is not given here. X square only not given. That means what we should take here? First we should write, or we can write directly 0. X square is not given. So this implies the coefficient of x square is 0. Because that x square only not given in the question, so directly you can write it as 0. Third main, give an example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So here first point, we have to take one example, polynomial containing two terms, then only we can say that is a binomial of degree 35. So that means here we will take y plus 4. Two terms are there. Okay, then it is said to be binomial. Here binomial of degree 35, then we should write y to the power of 35. Okay, so this is a binomial of degree 35. Then next one more example. This is one first point. Second point, what is given of a monomial of degree 100. So here we can take x, single, mono means single. We want degree 100. So x to the power of 100. Okay. So this one is monomial of degree 100. Mono means single term, one term, biru means two terms. Fourth main, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. Question number 1, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. So in this polynomial, highest power you see here, highest power of the variable you see 3 is there. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. The degree of this polynomial is 3. Okay. Now second question, 4 minus y square. Now y square is there. What is the degree here? 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. The next come to the point, third question, 5t minus root 7. So t to the power of no number, so we can take it as 1. The degree of this polynomial is 1. Now here only constant term is given. That means the degree of this polynomial is 0. The degree of this polynomial is 0. Okay. Fifth main, classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomial. So here given 7 questions. So we have to identify which one is the linear polynomial, which one is the quadratic polynomial, which one is the cubic polynomial. So you have to make 3 columns. First column you should write linear, second column you should write quadratic, third column you should write cubic. So you know that linear polynomial is nothing but in a polynomial exponent of the variable power should be 1. Okay. Then quadratic means exponent of the variable's power should be 2. Then cubic means exponent of the variable's power should be 3. Now you see here x square plus x. Now here x square 2 is there. So that comes under quadratic polynomial. So here x square plus x. Second one is x cube is here. Okay. So x cube means here this point comes here cubic polynomial. The next one is y plus y square plus 4. So power of this y is 2. Highest power we have to check it here, y square. Y square is there, that means it comes under quadratic polynomial. So y plus y square plus 4. The next 1 plus x. So what is the power of x here? 1. That means it is a linear polynomial. It comes under linear polynomial. So 1 plus x. Then 3t. Power of t is 1. So that is also linear polynomial. Then r square. Square 2 is there. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. Then 7x cube. It is a cubic polynomial. Okay.